my 97 Ford Taurus SHO, and I went back to change the coil packs, got everything back together, and later on I got a EGR system insufficient flow error code, exhaust gas recirculation system. And what ended up being, this is the EGR valve. And it's controlled back here by a few components. But anyways, what happened was this moved forward, and as you can see, there's two tubes that connect to it, and one of them had popped up because it moves forward and it just comes out, as you can see right here. So likely I figured out what I did wrong. That right there. So problem solved.